Falling asleep from the wish fulfilled means you are planting the seeds of your dreams, nurturing them with your imagination and emotion. Neville Goddard. Imagine a life where your deepest desires are not just fleeting hopes, but certain realities. This is the power of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, a method rooted in the understanding that your imagination is the key to transforming your dreams into tangible experiences. This concept centers around the idea that what you believe and visualize while falling asleep can shape your waking reality. To begin, recognize that falling asleep from the wish fulfilled is not merely a technique, but a fundamental principle of how creation works. It starts with the understanding that your imagination is a potent force. When you focus on your desires just before sleep, you are planting a seed that the subconscious mind nurtures while you rest. This method taps into the inherent power of your inner self to create your desired outcomes. The process involves more than just visualizing what you want. It requires you to fully immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved it. As you lay down to sleep, allow yourself to enter a state where you vividly experience the fulfillment of your desire. Engage all your senses in this experience. For instance, if you desire a new job, imagine not only the job itself, but also the joy and satisfaction that come with it. Feel the excitement, see the workplace, and hear the congratulations from your new colleagues. This technique hinges on the emotional impact of your imagination. The stronger the emotion you attach to your visualization, the more effective it becomes. Emotions are the driving force that brings the images of your mind into your reality. When you feel the emotion of having your wish fulfilled, you are aligning your subconscious mind with the realization of that desire. Consistency is key. Each night, repeat the process of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled. Your subconscious mind requires repetition to fully accept and integrate your desires. As you practice this nightly, you build a stronger connection between your inner vision and your external reality. Over time, you will notice shifts in your life that reflect the fulfillment of your dreams. It's also important to approach this practice with faith and trust. Doubts and skepticism can undermine the effectiveness of this technique. Trust that your imagination is a powerful tool for creation and that the universe is responding to the intentions you set. Maintain a positive mindset and avoid letting negative thoughts interfere with the process. Your beliefs and attitudes shape the reality you experience. To further understand the potency of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, it's essential to grasp the role of the subconscious mind in this process. The subconscious mind is a powerful force, deeply connected to your desires and dreams. It operates beyond your conscious awareness, influencing your behavior, beliefs, and ultimately your reality. When you use the technique of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, you are essentially communicating directly with this powerful aspect of yourself. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile ground where the seeds of your desires are planted. The quality of the seeds, your thoughts and feelings, determines the outcome. By consistently visualizing and feeling your desires as if they are already fulfilled, you're sending a clear and compelling message to your subconscious. This message is absorbed and acted upon, leading to changes in your external world that reflect your inner state. This practice is also closely linked to the principle of becoming. When you fall asleep from the wish fulfilled, you are not just visualizing a future event, but immersing yourself in the experience of already having it. This state of becoming helps bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It allows you to align your current self with the version of you that has already achieved your goals. As you drift off, your mind becomes more receptive and less critical, which enhances the effectiveness of your visualizations. This period of relaxed awareness is when your subconscious mind is most open to accepting new beliefs and experiences. By falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, you harness this optimal state to reinforce the reality you wish to create. It's also important to consider how this practice interacts with the law of attraction. The law of attraction suggests that attracts like, meaning that the energy you emit attracts similar energy from the universe. When you cultivate a state of having already achieved your desires, you align your energy with that reality. This alignment helps attract opportunities, people, and circumstances that match the frequency of your desires, facilitating their manifestation. Incorporating this technique into your daily routine requires dedication and mindfulness. It's not about a single night of practice, but about creating a habitual mindset that continuously aligns with your goals. To support this, you might consider journaling or affirmations that reinforce your desired state before bedtime. Journaling can help clarify your desires and keep your focus sharp, while affirmations can strengthen your belief in the reality you're creating. Additionally, be aware of the role of gratitude in this process. Cultivating a sense of gratitude for your desires as if they have already been fulfilled can enhance the effectiveness of your practice. Gratitude shifts your focus to positive outcomes and reinforces the feeling of abundance, which can accelerate the manifestation process. As you continue to practice falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, observe the changes in your life. You may find that opportunities begin to align with your desires, or that you experience shifts in your circumstances that bring you closer to your goals. This is a reflection of the powerful connection between your inner world and the outer world. This technique is not about forcing outcomes, but about aligning yourself with the natural flow of creation. It's about trusting in the process and allowing your desires to manifest in their own time. The act of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled is a way of letting go of resistance and allowing the universe to bring your dreams to fruition. Lastly, patience and persistence are crucial. Manifestation is not always instantaneous, and there may be delays or obstacles along the way. Trust in the process and remain steadfast in your practice. Your consistent effort in falling asleep from the wish fulfilled will gradually reshape your reality, aligning it with the dreams you've nurtured in your inner world. Falling asleep from the wish fulfilled is a profound technique that leverages the power of your subconscious mind and the law of attraction. By immersing yourself in the experience of having achieved your desires and utilizing the natural transition of sleep, you align your inner state with your external reality. Consistent practice, coupled with gratitude and persistence, will help you manifest your goals and transform your dreams into reality. In summary, falling asleep from the wish fulfilled is a practice that harnesses the power of imagination and emotion to create your desired reality. By immersing yourself in the feeling of having already achieved your goals, you align your subconscious mind with the manifestation of those goals. Consistent practice, faith, and a positive attitude are essential for success. As you continue to use this technique, you will find that your dreams start to materialize in your waking life, confirming the profound connection between your inner world and the reality you experience. As we wrap up this exploration of the technique of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, it's clear that this method offers a powerful way to align your inner world with your outer reality. By using this technique, you're not just visualizing your goals, you're immersing yourself in the experience of having achieved them. This approach taps into the profound influence of your subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. When you fall asleep with your desires fulfilled in your mind, you're leveraging the natural state of relaxation that comes with sleep to communicate your intentions to your subconscious. This period is crucial because your subconscious mind is most receptive during this time, making it an ideal moment to reinforce the reality you wish to create. By consistently practicing this technique, you're essentially setting the stage for your desires to manifest by aligning your inner state with your external goals. It's important to recognize that consistency and patience are key. The process of manifestation can sometimes take time, and the path to achieving your desires might involve unexpected turns. However, maintaining a steady practice of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled ensures that you remain aligned with your goals. This ongoing alignment helps to attract opportunities, people, and circumstances that are in harmony with your desires, making it easier for them to come to fruition. Additionally, the role of gratitude in this practice cannot be understated. Cultivating a sense of gratitude for the fulfillment of your desires, even before they manifest, enhances the effectiveness of your visualizations. This positive mindset helps to solidify the feeling of abundance and reinforces your belief in the reality you are creating. Incorporating this technique into your daily routine can be both simple and profound. By setting aside time each night to visualize and feel the fulfillment of your desires as you drift off to sleep, you create a powerful habit that aligns your subconscious mind with your goals. Supportive practices like journaling or affirmations can further enhance this process, helping you to stay focused and committed to your vision. As we conclude, remind that the power of this technique lies in its ability to shift your inner state to match your desired reality. By falling asleep from the wish fulfilled, you are not merely dreaming of what you want, but living it in your mind, which sets the stage for it to become a reality in your life. If you found this video insightful and would like to continue exploring powerful techniques to manifest your desires, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that guides you in realizing your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on manifesting your dreams and using your mind's power effectively. Hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when new content is released. Share this video with friends or anyone who might benefit from this technique, and leave a comment below to let us know how you use the practice of falling asleep from the wish fulfilled in your own life. We're excited to hear your experiences and insights. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more with you in future videos.